Hello and welcome back again to my channel. So today we are going to see the today's trade that I had today, and let's go to the 4 hour chart. Let me delete the everything we have on our chart. Let's go to the daily time frame first. So in the daily time frame, if you know that I am way, so this is the daily level we have our chart first. So this is the daily level. This is the V shape that we have. I was expecting market eventually go to that level. Also, I was have a very fresh gap level. This is the gap level that I am expecting. This is the gap level. So this is the close level. So eventually what market did, market goes to that gap level and it just rejected on the daily that level. So, and now we are going to go to the H4 level. So this is the, if you see the rejection is happened from this. So we have eventually two level on here. One is gap level and is daily SNR level, which is if you go to the line chart. So the V shape that we are seeing on here. So now go to the candlestick again. I'm not going to elaborate everything. I assume that whoever watching my video, you're already familiar with the Malaysian SNR. So what we are seeing eventually market rejected from this gap level and also rejected from SNR level. Resistance level eventually. So also if you go to that level, what we are seeing on here is we have a sell engulfing on here. Eventually this one is not sell engulfing. We have a buy engulfing on here, and this buy engulfing was failed on here. So also what now why I am market is to have come back on this level. So if you look closely on this level, which is 20434 level and the rejection level, now we have to go one time frame lower, which is 1 hour time frame. If we go to the 1 hour time frame, so what we are seeing that this is the level that created a V shape on here. Go to the line chart, and line chart we are seeing a V shape on here. So what we need to do, once market break that level, I go to the 15-minute chart. I check after breaking this level, we have a engulfing pattern on here. This is the engulfing we. So once market goes back to that engulfing level, I just open my sell position on here. So I just post my stop loss exactly on, not here eventually, I try to keep it on 30 to 30 pip as sell ratio, but this one is very close. So we have another gap level on here. So what I was expecting market may come back to that gap level. I just posted, I just had my top loss level on there, and eventually I am taking my TP level. This engulfing what it is created. So which is almost 1:2 ratio trade I have today. I did not open any multiples here because I go to the 5-minute time frame. I saw that there is a engulfing on 5-minute level, but it was not matching with what I follow. So go to the storyline. We are even go to the monthly level. Let's go to the monthly level. What we are market bullish level, and if you go to the weekly level, what we have an SNR level. Here market not even we are in sell position. In the we weekly say we sell point. So whatever we on the lower time frame, we are trying to selling position, but I mostly trade on as an engulfing. So what would be the tomorrow move? So we have, let me see this level. So we have a engulfing on here. Eventually what I am expecting might come back to that level. If it gives us any bit control, maybe it could be reversed to upper level. If not, then we are back all the way. So this will be the for tomorrow analysis. So what if we go to the 4 hour time frame, right? Our time frame, 1 hour time frame, trend line on here. The trend line we have seen this trend line coming back to, we have a 1 hour engulfing at another. Yeah, and this is the trend line we are matching with our engulfing zone. So a little bit reverse possible. We'll see. Because remember, we are not here to predict the market. We just react to it, the market. The reaction is the main. Whatever the market is doing, we just need to do the reaction with original price and what price is doing exactly that time. This is the theory of price and timing. This is the what we are going to follow with chart and with them. Thank you so much. If you have any question, you can ask me on the comment box. I can, if as I say, I am not a YouTuber. I just try to post video as much as raw possible. My editing level is not that much big because I have very few time. I just try to make. If you also following my channel, I post a very few video on my channel. Last few days I have very few dates, so I have few time to record something for you guys. Thank you so much. If you find this helpful, you